Hello, I am Hode Cosplay, and today I'm going to do Mileena's mask from Mortal Kombat 11. Before I start any project, I look for fabrics that are going to bring a cosplay to life. I was able to find a similar hexagon pattern from Cosplay Fabrics at Joann. It is a stretch fabric. Also, I am using a pink micro suede. On Amazon, I was able to find elastic made for a mask. These have little knobs that help you adjust your mask. I created a free template. The details are below this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Just support the channel. Now let's focus on cutting and putting together the mask. First, I'm going to take the main template and place it on the hexagon fabric as well as the micro suede, which will be the lining for this mask. When you're done cutting, you should have one pink and one black of the same pattern. Next, with the smaller template pieces, I'm going to trace them onto some heat bond on the back side, which is the non-shiny side. Then I'm going to place it on the back of the micro suede. And with a hot iron, I'm going to press it. Please don't use any steam. These details will be ironed onto the front of the mask. Those are the front details of the mask. Next, I'm going to sew the top dart of the mask. That's going to form to the nose contour. Please allow a seam allowance of 1/2 inch on all seams. Next, I'm going to sew the bottom of the mask and connect it to the bottom mask detail. Like I said, make sure to leave a seam allowance of at least 1/2 inch. This is how it'll look once you finish sewing these two pieces together. Next, you're going to connect the top detail to the top of the mask. It's going to go where the nose detail is. There's no seam allowance on this. You're actually going to top stitch it directly to the top of the mask. Next, you're going to sew the bottom chin dart. When you put it together, that's going to finish the bottom part of the mask. Next, you're going to use the extra micro suede to make identical copy of the back, which is the mask without any details. And you're going to sandwich the front sides of the mask together and sew the top and bottom seams, leaving the outside side seams open so we can attach the straps later. I fold over the side seams inward 1/2 inch and I insert my elastic and I hold it in place with a zigzag stitch. It cleans it up and just makes it look perfect. Here is Mileena's finished mask. It has nice clean lining on the back, adjustable elastic. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like a copy of this free template, please follow the directions in the details below the video. Thank you and goodbye.